So Mister's fans, this is my Mister substitute. Hey, Mr. Gull. I put some water out for him and he's been hanging out just drinking water. I'll be back to Mister Milton soon. I've had to do a big task of packing and purging and doing a lot of stuff. Hey, Mr. Gull. It's been a little bit much. We'll get back to nature soon. Yeah, but I have nature here too. Hey, Mr. Gull. Yeah. See? What was that? Was that give me a peanut? Was that your give me a peanut look? What do you think? Yeah, that was give me a peanut. Stop talking and give me a peanut. Oh, a little bit of a stretch. Okay. See ya, Mr. Fans.